What is up, guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be converting my Ranger into a Raptor. Just kidding. So, all jokes aside, I get it the right way. As you can see here, I went ahead and picked up a Raptor style grill, and it also comes with the Ford letters, which I'm going to paint match silver to my truck. And I'm going to leave the grill black, so let's go ahead and get started. Alright, I went ahead and threw a coat of primer on. I just put a heavy coat because I'm terrible at painting anyway, so I'm gonna let that dry for a little while. Let me zoom out. I'm gonna go ahead and let that dry for a little while, and I'm going to continue moving some stuff out of my house. So I'll get back with you when we put another coat on. Alright, it's been about 10 minutes, so I'm gonna go ahead and just put another coat on there to get any spots that I missed. And then I'm going to let that dry for probably an hour or so, and then I'll start with our first coat of paint. Alright, so it's been about an hour, and I'm going to spray on the color match, which is just this duplicate color, and it's the exact paint coat of my truck, so it should look pretty good. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and apply a second coat now. Alright, so these are turning out pretty good, so I'm going to let them dry for probably an hour or two, and then I'm going to start hitting it with clear coat. The only reason I'm waiting so long is because it's a little cold in the garage, so it's going to take a little bit longer for it to dry. So whenever I'm ready to hit it with clear coat, I'll start recording again. Now, I said I was going to clear coat these, but I'm actually not going to, because I did try using the actual color match spray paint on my truck to touch stuff up, and when I used the clear coat, it changed the color completely. So I'm not going to clear coat these. I guess only downfall, they'll fade quicker, less protection, so I'm not too worried about it because it's simple to repaint them if I ever have to. So that is the finished product, and tomorrow I will install it on the grill, and then we'll go ahead and throw the grill on the truck. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Alright, the letters are done drying, and I set them on the grill. I'm going to give you guys a little sneak peek. Oh, right there. That's all you get. Now let's go ahead and install this. So this grill did not come with instructions, but it looks pretty self-explanatory. It's got little divots on the back of the grill where I'm supposed to put the self-tapping screws through from the back, and they'll go right into those little tabs right there. So it'll line up pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Perfect, lined up perfect. So I'm gonna go ahead and put all the other screws in, and then we'll go ahead and get these letters screwed on. And you have a bunch of screws to the front of your grill. That's how you know I did it right. So there you have it. It's all screwed on now. It looks great. I think it looks way better than the letters just being matte black as well. But it also does come with, which I'm not putting on right now, is, I guess you'd call them Raptor lights. I'm not a fan of the amber, so I might try to smoke these out before I install them, but I don't even want to worry about wiring right now because I'm not the best with electrical work. So I'm gonna save those for later. It's easy to pop the grill off to get to it, so I'll install those at a later date. Let me get the truck pulled in the garage. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and start removing the factory front grill. Alright, so I got the stock grill out. It's just 4 bolts on top. So you got 4 bolts running along the top inside the engine bay, and it has these 2 on the bottom where metal clips hold them in, and they actually supply you with new clips, but I don't think I'll need them because I didn't break the factory ones. So let's go ahead and get the new one installed. Don't judge me for using an adjustable wrench. It's a 5.5mm and I don't have that here. It's all the way back at my house that I'm moving out of and I don't feel like going to get it. This works just fine. And just like that, the new grill is in. I think it looks good. Let's go ahead and close this hood. Yeah, I think it looks real good. Like I said though, I'm not sure about putting those 3 amber lights in there. I might want to smoke them out first. So let me know what you guys think in the comments and it'll give me some inspiration to put them in.